Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Atlas reward credit card to book travel arrangements. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account, which you can do on the Atlas website, or you could use the Atlas mobile app to log into your account using your username and your password. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to use the concierge service for from the account dashboard. Once that's done, you're just going to click on concierge service, and then you're going to need to review the service details. Once that's properly reviewed, you can go ahead and contact the concierge service team to request assistance with booking travel arrangements, and you're going to be required to provide documentations to support the request, such as travel dates and destination and such. Just provide them all that documentations that is required. And once that's done, you're going to receive personalized recommendations and assistance with booking travel arrangements. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card to book travel arrangements. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the